أنا.
I.
أنا وأنت.
I and you.
I and you.
نحن الاثنان.
Both of us.
Both of us.
هو.
He.
He.
هو وهي.
He and she.
He and she.
كلاهما كلتاهما.
They both.
They both.
الرجل.
The man.
The man.
الامرأة المرأة.
The woman.
The woman.
الطفل الولد.
The child.
The child.
العائلة.
A family.
A family.
عائلتي.
My family.
My family.
عائلتي هنا.
My family is here.
My family is here.
أنا هنا.
I am here.
I am here.
أنت هنا.
You are here.
You are here.
هو هنا وهي أيضا.
He is here and she is here.
He is here and she is here.
نحن هنا.
We are here.
We are here.
أنتم أنتن هنا.
You are here.
You are here.
جميعهم هنا.
They are all here.
They are all here.
الجد.
The grandfather.
The grandfather.
الجدة.
The grandmother.
The grandmother.
هو وهي.
He and she.
He and she.
الأب.
The father.
The father.
الأم.
The mother.
The mother.
هو وهي.
He and she.
He and she.
الابن.
The son.
The son.
الابنة.
The daughter.
The daughter.
هو وهي.
He and she.
He and she.
الأخ.
The brother.
The brother.
الأخت.
The sister.
The sister.
هو وهي.
He and she.
He and she.
العم أو الخال.
The uncle.
The uncle.
العمة أو الخالة.
The aunt.
The aunt.
هو وهي.
He and she.
He and she.
نحن عائلة.
We are a family.
We are a family.
العائلة ليست صغيرة.
The family is not small.
The family is not small.
العائلة كبيرة.
The family is big.
The family is big.
مرحبا.
Hi.
Hi.
مرحبا، نهارك سعيد.
Hello.
Hello.
كيف الحال؟ كيف حالك؟
How are you?
How are you?
هل أنت من أوروبا؟
Do you come from Europe?
Do you come from Europe?
هل أنت من أمريكا؟
Do you come from America?
Do you come from America?
هل أنت من آسيا؟
Do you come from Asia?
Do you come from Asia?
في أي فندق تقيم؟
In which hotel are you staying?
In which hotel are you staying?
مذ متى أنت هنا؟
How long have you been here for?
How long have you been here for?
إلى متى ستبقى؟
How long will you be staying?
How long will you be staying?
أتعجبك الإقامة هنا؟
Do you like it here?
Do you like it here?
أتقضي عطلتك هنا؟
Are you here on vacation?
Are you here on vacation?
تفضل بزيارتي.
Please do visit me sometime.
Please do visit me sometime.
هذا عنواني، إليك عنواني.
Here is my address.
Here is my address.
أراك غدا؟
Shall we see each other tomorrow?
Shall we see each other tomorrow?
متأسف، لدي التزامات أخرى.
I am sorry, but I already have plans.
I am sorry, but I already have plans.
وداعا.
Bye.
Bye.
إلى اللقاء.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
أراك قريبا.
See you soon.
See you soon.
أين نحن؟
Where are we?
Where are we?
نحن في المدرسة.
We are at school.
We are at school.
عندنا درس.
We are having class.
We are having class.
هؤلاء هم التلاميذ.
Those are the school children.
Those are the school children.
هذه هي المعلمة.
That is the teacher.
That is the teacher.
هذا هو الصف.
That is the class.
That is the class.
ماذا سنفعل؟
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
نحن نتعلم.
We are learning.
We are learning.
نحن نتعلم لغة.
We are learning a language.
We are learning a language.
أنا أتعلم الإنجليزية.
I learn English.
I learn English.
أنت تتعلم الإسبانية.
You learn Spanish.
You learn Spanish.
هو يتعلم الألمانية.
He learns German.
He learns German.
نحن نتعلم الفرنسية.
We learn French.
We learn French.
أنتم تتعلمون، أنتن تتعلمن الإيطالية.
You will learn Italian.
You all learn Italian.
هم يتعلمون، هن تتعلمن الروسية.
They learn Russian.
They learn Russian.
تعلم اللغات مثير للاهتمام.
Learning languages is interesting.
Learning languages is interesting.
نحن نريد أن نفهم الناس.
We want to understand people.
We want to understand people.
نريد أن نتكلم مع الناس.
We want to speak with people.
We want to speak with people.